Hello, I'm Pedantic Vindictive Man. I'm just going to show you how I just serviced my boiler today. So have fun and stay safe. Bye. Right, here we are in my bathroom. Taking my cupboard bits out because today we're going to service my Isar, which has been in since 18th of the 12th 2002. I can't remember when I serviced it last. So I'm going to do it today. It's had 4 PCBs, a new insulation in the top part, and new washers on the plate, and the plate cleaned once, so it's not done bad. It's got an extra expansion vessel on because the one inside's had it and I can't be asked to take the board off the wall. Okay, we're going to take the front off. Okay. Yeah, there's my badge. Probably been fitted with PCB part number, yeah, by me. It's had 4 PCBs. This PCB is the type that has the spark generator built into it. It's that old. Okay. Right, well, as we can see, no weeps and seeps. I say it had new washes on the plate when I cleaned the plate out last year or year before, can't remember. Original everything apart from the PCB. So it looks fine under there. Not even a weep from the pump flanges. Okay, so the bottom off. Right, let's have a look inside. Not looking that bad. As you can see, it had new insulation on the insides. A couple of years ago, I think it probably was. The electrode not looking bad. But quite a bit of crap in here. I think we're going to need to clean out. Yeah, on the bottom of that. We'll give it a clean. We do call them soluble heat exchangers, but we're not doing bad for 2002. Okay. Right, one of the big failings of these is these silly little traps they put on the Isar. But there doesn't seem to be, maybe. Too bad. I do have to do these straight down the side of the bottom. Get the bits out. Okay. Right, that's looking a little bit cleaner in there. I'll put the trap back on. Looking bad in here. Put the trap back on and get it flushed through. Right, poured about 5 jugs of water through. You can see that. About 6 of them gone through. And check for leaks underneath. Trap, I've kept checking. I put a new O-ring on there. Plenty of silicone lubricant. It's had 6 jugs of water through and not a leak. All nice and clean. Nice and clean in here. So I'm thinking we can put the lid on. Okay. Right. All ready to switch on, which we have done. It'll probably not want to ignite first time because I've got wet in the top. Yeah, thought so. Might take a few tries. Second go, off. Just let that warm up a bit, and then we'll stick the flow analyzer on it. Excellent. No sign of any leaks, no nothing, no nasties. Whole. Right, well, here we go. Flow analyzer on, and we've got 0.708. That'll do for me. That's 0.1. So it's been faffed around a bit and messed around with the. Sure, that's going to settle down nicely. BPM's coming down. Got about 2.8, and it's still going up a bit. Let's see. Yep. Right, try it again. Got it nice and stable now. And the tube fell off underneath analyzer. That's nothing. So well below 0.004. BPM's dropping now. So that'll do me.